gentlemen. Recording. So what skill do you see? Hands up, guys. Let's go. Hands up. What skill do you see, guys?
53.
Yeah. Distinguish A and an. Okay. Ayed, can you read it?
Distinguish A and an. The basic difference between A and N is that A is used in front of constant, and N is used in front of values. Values.
Oh, hold on just a moment. I've got, oh, it keeps taking a, okay. I don't want that. Deselect. Doesn't that work? No. No. View. Sorry, I clicked on something before the class and now it's just. It keeps copying something. Hold on just a second. I don't know how to stop doing this. Edit text, images, maybe. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. How do I deselect? I don't want that. Edit, no. Copy, no. Deselect all, maybe. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna have to close it and reopen it because I don't know what's going on. No, I don't want to save changes. All right, do you guys know the meaning of consonants? Guys, hello. Do you know the meaning of consonants?
Yes. Well, the
Yeah?
start.
Can you read that?
Constant, all letters except A, E,
Except,
I, O.
except. Say that again. Except.
Except A, E, I, O, U.
That's right. So what do we call these? Do you know, we have a name. We have a name for these letters. Do you know the name for these letters?
Vowel.
Well,
Exactly. Look. Write this on your paper, okay? These are called vowels. Write it down. Okay? All right. What are the 5 vowels, gentlemen? See the 5 vowels? All right? What are they? What are the 5 vowels, guys?
A.
A. Next.
E,
Hello. E. Then what?
I.
I. And then
O.
U, O.
O and U. So these are the 5 vowels in English, okay? These are called vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. So the other letters have a different name. Consonants, okay? Now, why am I telling you this? Because in skill 53, you must distinguish them. Vowels and consonants. You must distinguish them, okay? Now, let's read, Mohana. What is the basic, tell us the basic rule here. You can see this.
Yeah, about range, among, islands, a page, an automobile.
Yeah, let's just do the left side, the consonants.
A book, a man, a page.
Now, the right side.
An orange, an islands, an automobile.
Yeah, and orange, and illness, and automobile. Now, it's obvious, you see here, the vowels, right? O and I and U. Yeah? Yeah, guys? And then over here, what do you see? You see
Different letters.
consonants, right? You see the consonants. So on the left, plus a consonant. On the right, it's and plus a vowel, okay? Now, Abdulaziz, I want you to read this. In reality, here's the rule that you should know for TOEFL.
In reality, the
Abdulaziz.
rule is that A is used in front of a word that begins with a consonant sound.
Ah, that's the key. Okay. Notice over here, B and M and P, these, all of them are consonants, right? But the key is not the letter. It's not the letter. It's the sound. Do you understand? This is the key. It's the sound, not the letter. Okay. Continue, Luziz.
And that an is used in front of a word that begins with a vowel sound.
Again, the letter isn't the key here. It's the sound. That's the key. And in the TOEFL exam, they will use this trick. If you're not careful, you'll lose marks on TOEFL. Okay. All right. So, Mustafa, you want to read? Here's the real rule.
The real rule.
So let's read some
A
examples.
university.
Yeah. See, take a look at this, guys. Yeah, go ahead.
A university.
What's the first letter?
You.
U. Ah. So why do we say it's a vowel, right? It's a vowel, correct? Right? What are the vowels, guys?
But the sound.
A, E, I, O, U. So the letter is a vowel, but the sound is not. Understand? What is the sound of university? Sound?
University. A university.
When we read the word, we say you, which is not a vowel sound. It's not a vowel sound. Do you understand? Yeah. So we say you, a university. Okay. But look at the one under it.
Unhappy man.
Why do we say and? Why is that? Because
the sound of unhappy is the value.
it's a vowel sound, right? It's a vowel sound. All right, Mohana, how about the next one? What is this?
Normal.
Hand, right?
Yeah.
But what about this one?
An hour.
Why do we say an hour? What's the reason?
Because the sound is O.
This is a vowel sound, right? Now, is H a vowel, gentlemen?
No.
No, but the sound, guys, this is the key. It is a vowel sound. Ayat. Do the one below first.
Omen.
Why do we use an?
The letter O is one of the vowels.
But it's a vowel sound. That's important, right? It's vowel sound. But look above. O is a vowel. You see? It's a vowel. Why do we use, in this case, it's a. You see, here, and, here, a. Why?
because the sound.
Because the sound. What about it? Look at the sound.
One way.
Is this a vowel sound?
No.
One? Is this a vowel sound? No,
So if
it's
you
not a vowel
don't,
sound.
if you
It's a
don't know
consonant. Huh?
if you don't know how to read it, you will not know.
Yeah, but wait a minute. You will see they will give you a clue, a hint. All right. There's a hint in this skill. So just a minute. A one-way street. Okay. So yeah, it's the vowel, or it's the consonant sound, right? Consonant sound. So it's a one-way street. All right. Abdulaziz,
An event,
why is it an?
because
Because
it sounds a vowel.
the vowel sound. And look above.
A euphemism.
Euphemism.
It's because E is silent.
Well, we actually, there are some examples that you know. For example, what money do they use in Germany, in France, and in Spain, in Italy?
Euro.
Euro.
Ah, how do you spell it?
E.
You.
EU.
You.
Not you.
E.
It begins with an E, right? It begins with an E. So what are some examples of what do you call the people? All of the people in
European,
Italy and France.
European.
That's right. European. Yeah. Now, if it's just one person, what should I say? Should I say a or an? Which is it?
A Euro.
A European. A European. Do you understand?
Yeah.
How about American?
An American. An.
An American. Why?
Because the sound.
Yeah, because this has a vowel sound, right? What about European?
Doesn't have the
It
vowel.
doesn't have a vowel sound. It's called a consonant, right? It has a consonant sound. Okay. All right. All right. Here, I have a joke for you. See if you can understand this. Okay. All right. When before you go in the toilet, before you go in the bathroom, you are an American. When you come out, you're an American. But when you're in the toilet, what are you?
American.
European.
European. European. Why is that? What does that mean? European. It has another meaning. Think about it, okay? European. You can Google it later. All right?
Oh.
Okay. Before you go in the toilet, you're an American. When you come out, you're an American. But when you're in the bathroom, European. All right. So let's move on. Mustafa.
Yeah. Axrixmic. How can I?
Yeah, that's a strange word, but you know, it's funny. We say it as a Z, a Xerox.
A Xerox. A Xerox mechanic.
A Xerox
Machine.
A Xerox. This is a copier, a copy machine, you know, a famous company, Xerox. Xerox machine. Okay. And then Mohana.
An X-ray machine.
Now, what's the difference above and below?
That sounds it. And
It's
this
the sound, right? What sound do we have here?
X.
And that is called
The volume sound.
vowel
The
sound.
vowel sound.
It's a vowel sound, right?
Mm.
X-ray machine is a vowel sound. Okay, so let's go to the chart now. Let's look at the chart. What do we have at the top?
is used in the front of a singular noun with consonant sound.
Mhm. Yep. In front of a singular noun with a consonant sound. Again, sound is the key, okay? Abdulaziz?
An is used in front of a singular noun with a vowel sound.
Mhm. Again, the key is the sound, right? The sound. Mustafa. Now here, no, actually, Mohana, you read this.
Be careful of words begin with letters such as U, O, E, X, O, or H.
Why?
They may begin with either a vowel or constant sound.
Ah, okay. This will help you a little bit. Do you understand? If you remember these letters. Why should you remember these letters? U, O, E, X, or H. Why should you remember these letters? Because? Why? These letters right
Because
here. Yes,
have two
Mustafa.
sounds. I think this
Here are look above, look up here. You see the U, yeah? U, maybe it's a vowel sound, maybe it's a consonant, right? And what's the H? You see H, right? Here's H,
yeah,
right?
our
Yeah. Then O, you see O, maybe a consonant, maybe a vowel. What else? E, the letter E, right? Right? Maybe E, maybe it's a vowel sound, maybe it's a consonant, okay? And then of course the last one is X, okay? So just remember these letters, okay? U, O, E, X, or H, okay? Why? Well, these are the ones you'll have to be careful with. Don't worry about all of the letters in English, just remember these, okay? All right, let's try this exercise, but let's do number one first. Ayed, how do we do it? Circle?
Circle each of each A or N. Indicate
Underline.
underline the beginning of the word that directly follows.
Yeah.
And indicate if it's
This says pronounce it. So if you know how to speak it, then try to speak it. But of course, in the exam, you can't say it out, but maybe you can say it to yourself, right? Pronounce it, say it. And then what?
Then indicate if the sentence is correct or incorrect.
All right, good. Abdulaziz, why is this one incorrect? Don't read it. Just tell us why it's incorrect.
Because an hour sounds with O.
Yes,
With vowel.
it has a vowel sound.
Yes.
It has a vowel sound. So how should I fix this then? What's the correct?
A.
Should be, yeah,
An.
that's right. So I'm going to put an X here. Should be an. Okay. All right. So what about the next one, Mustafa? Can you explain the next one?
Yes. Unexpected is awful noun, awful sound. So we should add unfronted.
And also
And the
notice
second
notice we should put a line here. See that? Unexpected. Does your book have a line?
Yes.
If you have a book, no, you guys don't have a book. Oh, maybe my box is covering the, maybe it's covering the line. Okay, an unexpected disappointment, to receive a rejection. So what sound do we have over here? What sound is this? Unexpected.
أول
Vowel sound, right?
vowel.
Unexpected.
I don't know what's
Oh, the word is vowel. And this
Vowel.
this one is vowel or not a vowel sound?
not a vowel.
Not a vowel sound. All right, guys, you got 3 minutes. Start now.
3 minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. One minute. Forty-five seconds. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. Time is up.
Hey, gentlemen. All right, let's finish this up here. What do we got? Mohana? Go ahead. Number one, what do you think? Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect?
Mhm.
Where do I put the circle?
There is 2A. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Where's the other
before
one?
X
Okay. So where's the problem then?
and X.
Okay. What should it be? Not at X, should be what? Yep. AN, right?
Yeah.
And why is that?
Because the sound X.
Yep. It's a vowel sound, right? It's a vowel sound. Correct. Okay, good. Ayed, your turn. Number 4.
I think it's correct.
You say it's correct?
Yes.
Where do I put a circle?
A half.
Okay. A half. Okay. What's the problem? Is there a problem? Is that the
no.
only one? Is that the only one? Is there another one?
Yes, a box. I think it's also correct.
Box? A box? Why?
'Cause,
Consonant sound, right? It's a
yes.
consonant sound. Yeah. Very good. By the way, I will tell you this, that I have seen this question in the TOEFL. And I remember teaching this. I always teach this every module. And I remember the students who studied this answered it correctly. The ones who didn't all lost marks. Okay, so just remember that, right? So do the next one, Abdulaziz.
I think there is one more, Mr. Rich. 100.
Oh, there is another one. That's right. Yeah, 100. Okay, good. Is that okay? 100?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is correct. Okay, good. Mustafa, what do you think?
5 incorrect.
Incorrect? Why?
Yes. Because ayuk.
Which one?
Yes, this.
Second one?
Yes, this is
All right.
incorrect.
What should it be?
Unacceptable.
Cannot be should be right? A-N. Unacceptable.
You can't pronounce it with a.
No.
You can.
It's difficult, but when you're doing the TOEFL exam very quickly, sometimes you don't see these small changes. Sometimes you don't see the small changes, right? Ayed, how about number 6?
I think it's correct.
Okay, you just lost marks. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. No, you're right. It is. You're right. Mr. H just lost marks. Yeah. There are 2 trees in an elm tree. Yeah. All right. And then we have eucalyptus. What sound is eucalyptus? EU. It's a consonant sound, like Y. Yeah. Good. Abdulaziz, how about number 7?
Incorrect.
Incorrect? Why?
Yes. Uniform. A uniform.
Should be a uniform, right?
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. We want a uniform. And wrong. Should be a. Why is that? Why should it be an? Use is a consonant sound, right? Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Mustafa.
It should be a.
It is correct.
Huh?
It should be a. It's already an.
Oh yeah. Sorry. You're right. Good. A uniform. I was just testing you. Mustafa.
It is correct.
Correct? Why?
Yes, correct.
Why?
A hand and an impossible. Both is correct. Both are correct.
Exactly. Both are correct. Hand is a consonant sound. And what about impossibility?
Correct.
Vowel. It's a vowel sound, right? Abdurrahman, do number 9.
Number 9 is incorrect. Should be honest.
Excellent. That's right. Why? What about the H? H is
the vowel sound.
Yeah, but it's silent, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The H is silent. So that's why it's a vowel sound, because H, it's a silent letter. We call it a silent letter. So what should it be?
Anonymous.
That's right. You are correct. Well done. Ayed, last one, number 10.
I think it's correct.
Sure about that?
Yes.
You just lost marks in TOEFL.
I forgot. Yes.
You just lost marks in the TOEFL.
An account.
Ah,
Yes.
Gotcha. Yeah. There's the problem right there. Now this is okay. This one is okay. A local, right? That's okay. What about this one?
Also okay.
Yeah, this is also correct. Yeah, but the problem is the first one. And what should it be?
An account.
Exactly. You can't say account. You see, that's how you lose marks in TOEFL, gentlemen. Just a little the small details, guys. Just the small details. You have to remember these small details, okay? All right, guys.
Okay.
That's all. Good luck on your
Okay,
math
thank you,
exams,
Saraj.
all right? You're welcome. Goodbye, guys.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Mr.